It looks like Samsung is taking a very conservative approach with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, and honestly, that's a bit disappointing. While we're always excited about the latest foldables, sticking with 25 watts wired charging in 2025 feels like a major missed opportunity. I mean, think about it. These are premium flagship devices that cost a fortune, yet they're using the same charging speeds we saw years ago. It's frustrating, especially when you consider that even some of Samsung's mid-range smartphones now support faster charging. The Galaxy A56 and A36, for example, offer 45 watts fast charging, yet the Fold 7 and Flip 7, devices marketed as cutting-edge innovations, are stuck in the past. It just doesn't make sense. To put things into perspective, other smartphone brands have been making huge strides in battery technology, with many flagships offering 65, 80, or even 100 watts charging speeds. Some devices can charge from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, making them incredibly convenient for people who are always on the move. Now compare that to Samsung's foldables, which will still take over an hour to fully charge. In a world where speed and efficiency matter more than ever, why is Samsung holding back? Are they prioritizing battery longevity? Are they cutting costs? Or are they just playing it safe? Either way, it's frustrating to see them fall behind in a category where they should be leading. Of course, it's not all bad news. The rumored 200-megapixel main camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a massive leap from the 50-megapixel sensor in the Fold 6. That alone could bring some serious improvements in photography, especially for those who love high-resolution shots and better low-light performance. Plus, the redesigned chassis, with a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8.2-inch inner screen, suggests Samsung is making refinements to the overall user experience. That said, it still feels like Samsung is playing it way too safe with its foldable lineup. Sure, these devices are unique in their own way, but when you're asking people to drop flagship-level money on them, they should be getting flagship-worthy upgrades across the board. Battery life and charging speeds are just as important as cameras and displays, and Samsung seems to be ignoring that. With the official launch still a few months away, there's still hope for some last-minute surprises. Maybe Samsung has some optimizations in store to make up for the unimpressive charging speeds. But as of now, it's hard not to feel a little underwhelmed. So, what are your thoughts? Are the incremental upgrades enough to get you excited for the Fold 7 and Flip 7, or do you think Samsung should be pushing the envelope more aggressively? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.